Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're mainly going to be focusing on the bedroom and the bathroom. I got some new nightstands, I got some new pillows for the bed, so I wanted to get everything nice and tidy in here. Everything needed to be wiped down and dusted, so I got all that done. We're also going to be vacuuming the floors. I needed to work on my bathroom over here. The tub needed to be cleaned. My makeup needed to be organized and wiped down and put where it's supposed to go. So we're going to be wiping the sinks out. They were filthy, and cleaning the toilets, all the things in here. Also doing some laundry, washing some towels, getting everything nice and neat, cleaning the mirrors, and also gonna fold some towels, put those away. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope it gets you motivated to get up and get the things done, and I hope y'all enjoy this. So these are the nightstands that I got from Costway. They are just the white nightstands with 3 drawers. I'll have them linked down below, and you can also get 15% off if you use GSPKMAN in the code area, so you can get 15% off of your order as well. But yeah, they were super easy to put together. My husband built one, and then we laid out how everything would go in order for the next one so I could build it for y'all really quick and y'all could see how easy it is to build. But yeah, it didn't take long at all. I like to organize all my pieces when I do a project like this, make sure I have everything before I start, and it just makes it a lot easier to have everything in order as you go. So that way you don't have a big mess. And I know you can get overwhelmed with all the little pieces, but once you learn how to do this stuff, it's super easy. So anyway, the nightstands are very durable. I like the drawers. I like having a place where I can tuck my stuff in and it not just be out on the nightstands. The ones that we had in here were horrible. They are some nice boxes, but we need to paint them and redo them, and that could take a while. So these will definitely suffice for now. But like I said, they're super cute. I like the black knobs and the white. I think it goes well in here. So anyway, I'm going to show y'all how they look and everything. This is the first night I was filming, and this is all I really got to that night. But the next day we're going to do some more stuff in here. But yeah, it looks so much better in here. I did change this up a little bit, and I decided to add 2 plants on the side just to make up for that extra space. But I really like these. So go check out Costway, and I'll have them linked down below.
I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna...
We went to Marshall's the other day, and I picked up these pillows. I really like the stone blue color. I love blues and yellows mixed together. I think that is one of the prettiest combinations. I love neutral colors, earthy colors like yellows and blues and greens. Those are my favorites. But yeah, I just decided to throw all this together, and I really like the way it turned out. I like the pink ones, but I wasn't really feeling it. Pink is not really my thing. So yeah, I'm more of like I said, natural earthy tones like greens and blues and all those colors. But I needed to clean off my desk as well. It was a mess. I still need to organize the inside. I do that constantly because I throw things in here all the time. But this is where I do most of my work. And I just like the area clean, because if I go sit down to do some work on my computer and it's just a mess, I can't get anything done. I feel very overwhelmed working in a messy room. I just don't feel like my mind is clear. So I always have to clean this desk off before I have a few days of sitting down and editing. I've also been printing out some of the cleaning routines, the Clean Mama and all that, and I cannot wait to start trying those. It seems like I keep getting sidetracked or things build up, and I don't know. And then yesterday I was washing dishes. My husband had just sharpened all the knives, and he told me, be careful, I just sharpened everything. Well, I was washing dishes and Jeremiah came to tell me something, and I looked away for a second. I just lost concentration for a second. I was washing one of the knives at the time, and it cut me so bad, guys. It probably needed stitches, but I didn't go get stitches. I just have it wrapped up really good. It seems to be doing okay. When it first happened, though, oh, it was excruciating. The kitchen was a bloody mess. The kids were all scared. It was just way worse than it had to be. But yeah, it's doing better. It's just I don't like getting it wet because it does start to throb a little bit if I start washing dishes or hitting it a lot. So I've kind of been taking it easy. My husband's taken over a lot of the to-dos around here since this happened, but hopefully today I can get up again and start going at it and cleaning and everything. I've just yeah, it's the worst. And I was telling a friend of mine about it, and she was saying that she cut her finger twice last week on foil. So, and I told her it doesn't matter how big or little the cut, like it's just annoying having a cut on your hand when you're a mom and you have to constantly, season food or wash dishes or whatever the case may be. Your hands constantly stay wet or just, it's horrible. So hopefully it'll heal fast and yeah, I can get back to normal. So the room, I love the way the room turned out. It looks so just calm and peaceful. I still want to do some stuff to this wall over here. Still have a lot to do in this room, but I'm taking it like one wall at a time. And I love my room to be very peaceful and relaxing. So now we're in the bathroom and oh my gosh, I'm the worst when it comes to makeup. I tap my brushes in the sink. That's what that filth was there. We had just bathed Sadie and she's shedding so bad. It's really bad. So anyway, we needed to clean the tub out because it was just a mess in here. And I like to sprinkle the baking soda, let that sit and kind of deodorize in there because that's where we bathe the dog now. And I just like it to be deodorized and refreshed. And then I'm also going to clean the toilet here. And I like to just spray everything and do all that, let it sit for a while. It's called pre-treating. So that's just a tip when you're cleaning, especially your bathroom, just spray everything down or put whatever cleaning chemicals you're going to put on there so that way it can sit and the cleaning chemicals can actually work. While that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and get my makeup wiped off and disinfected and put back in order. It was a mess too. And most of these palettes, I use one or two shadows out of each of the palettes, but I just have these palettes for those one or two eyeshadows. And now that I've been researching makeup more and more, which I've always been into makeup, I've always watched makeup videos on YouTube. But now that they're all coming out and saying, well, most things expire in 3 months or a month, I'm really thinking about switching to buying sample sizes because I don't wear enough. Like this makeup, some of it I've had for years because I don't wear enough to go through it like that. So I'm really thinking about going down to the sample sizes if it's going to expire so quickly. That way I'm not just hanging on to it. It's just a waste of money, I feel like. So I'm definitely going to do that. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get these all cleaned and organized and play some music for y'all.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know when I'll find
I like to use wipes and then I use paper towels to dry the toilet. I just don't like to leave it wet to dry, but yeah, I go ahead and wipe that down with wipes and then paper towels. But I'm going to go ahead and get these towels in the dryer, and then we're going to go in and clean the mirrors in the bathroom. Then we're going to clean the floors really quick. I'm going to lay down the new rugs that we got in here, and then I'm going to put the towels away and all that fun stuff. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will be posting more this week. Like I said, I've just been kind of out of it with the finger, with my cut finger over here, but I'm sure it'll get better soon. And yeah, I hope everybody's doing well. If you like videos like these and you're new, then please subscribe, comment down below, let us know you're here, all that fun stuff. I did finish cleaning the rest of the floor. It's just a very awkward position, so I don't always finish showing y'all the footage of that, but I do like to get like down and dirty sometimes with the bathroom floor, and really give it a good clean. Just feels right. But anyway, I'm gonna fold these towels, put those away, put the rugs up, and I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will see y'all on the next one. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm.